the obstacle in our path. In ancient times, a king had his man place a boulder on a roadway. He then hid in the bushes and watched to see if anyone would move the boulder out of the way. Some of the king's wealthiest merchants and courtiers passed by and simply walked around it. Many people blamed the king for not keeping the roads clear, but none of them did anyone about getting the stone removed. One day a peasant came along carrying vegetables. Upon approaching the boulder, the peasant lay down his burden and tried to push the stone out of the way. After much pushing and straining, he finally managed it. After the peasant went back to pick up his vegetables, he noticed a purse lying in the road where the boulder had been. The purse contained many gold coins. A note from the king explained the gold was for the person who removed the boulder from the road. Moral of the story: every obstacle that we come across gives us an opportunity to improve our circumstance, and while the lazy complain, others. Have a nice day. People star MS Murthy.